Welcome to the Ethereal theme. This is a WordPress theme that I designed using Divi from Elegant Themes. Divi is a WordPress theme that's really flexible, and it has a drag and drop app editor, that visual editor that makes it really easy for people that don't do web design to go ahead and change things and add things. So this is a theme I designed that you can download off of my website, studiothirdeye.com. So I just want to show you some of the things that it's about. So this is the home page, and I tried to make it. The ethereal theme is based for people that are energy healers or readers or life coaches. The graphics, I wanted to convey a caring and understanding look and feel to it. So that's why it looks the way it does. But you can customize it yourself if you want to use this. So this is the home page, and you have the header. You can change out the logo. There's an area to explain what you're about. And then there's some about pages, services, contact. And then there's at the bottom of every page is a sign up form that you can actually put you can put your own button in there, like if you use Constant Contact, but I use Mailchimp. So if you have like a email newsletter sign up, you can easily add a link to it. So you can see right there, it goes to Mailchimp. But you can use it for anything else, Aweber and Constant Contact. So that's the home page. I'll go over to the about page, little bio. So you can change out the picture and the text. And there's a newsletter subscribe at the bottom. And then we have a services page. This is a little, you can do a little text about your services. And then on the bottom, you can, I just put in some items that might be good for an energy healer or a holistic practitioner. And you can just put the title and the price. And I have buttons here that you can change out. They go to Acuity Scheduling, which I recommend. You can actually put your scheduling buttons on this website and have a link for people to schedule each service. So if you want to change it out, you can do that. And then I have an events page. This is a plugin that I added, but I have a space for it that you'd have to download, but I have a space for it on the events page. It's pretty easy to set up. It's called Modern Events Calendar. It's really flexible, and I find it to be easy to set up and easy to use, and it has a lot of features to it. So if you want to use this page, I would recommend that plugin. So you have here your month. It goes month by month, and then I don't have any events here, but this would show like on the sidebar the current events for September, and then when you click on it, it goes to the event, and it's a pretty good plugin. And this website also has a blog, and it's just pretty self-explanatory. Over here is a list of your posts, and then your categories. So you can go to one of the blog posts and see how it looks. And then there's a contact page. This uses another form that I have. You can put any form plugin you want in there, but this uses Quforms. From what I've noticed, that there aren't really many free form plugins for WordPress anymore. So this one was, I believe it was $39 a year. So it's pretty good, and it's pretty flexible. You can add a lot of different you can definitely add a lot of different areas to it, like a drop-down menu for like services that you're interested in, or you can create a form like before people go to see you, like a form asking them questions about you know, any allergies or whatever. So that's a good plugin for that. So this is the ethereal theme, and it's basically for energy healers and psychics, astrologers, any kind of holistic practitioner. And it's fully customizable too. It's $35 on my website.